Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zenphi tutorial. Today I have a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you how you can easily keep track of where certain steps of your flow are being used or even certain variables. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This specific use case can be useful especially when your flow gets to a point where it's so lengthy it's hard to keep track of where things are being used. You may not know what values are being used within your steps, where those steps are being used, or even what variables you used where. So today I'm going to be showing you really quickly how you can access that information. So let's say I have this action called 1 week prior to trigger time. I want to know where this is being used within my flow, so I'm going to go over to the Usages tab. Now here you're going to see two sections. We have dependencies, which are the steps whose outputs are utilized in this action. So as we can see, this specific base date comes from the trigger, which is what it's letting us know here. So essentially, this is all of the different steps that are using information within this step that I'm looking at. And then references is going to let you know steps utilizing the outputs of this specific step. So where is this action be used? So I can see that's being used in the list submissions in the last 7 days. And if you click on it, it'll take you to that step, as we can see here. And what that's going to do is ensure that you can easily access those steps if you need it. So if I want to go back and I want to make any modifications, I know that I've used that value here. Now, what about variables? So if you click up at the top where it says variables, you'll be able to see all of your previously created variables. Now you'll see that we also have a references button here. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to see two things. References, meaning steps utilizing the outputs of these actions. So if you want to use the value from your variable in any of those specific steps. And you're also going to see a section of steps that are updating the variable value. So anytime you're setting a value, appending a value, updating a value, etc. And just like that, you can easily access that information to ensure you have control over your flow at all time, no matter how long your flow is.